You'll do the project assessment. You'll get the details of the project assessment. Understanding the business logic. Having an agent that you can query that solution and get insights into that solution. You can get complete proposals as far as what the costs are going to look like when you're in the AWS environment, and what the savings are going to be seen. You'll have strategic recommendations on how to replace external services that you're dependent on around. Those dirty little assembly programs and those proprietary sort programs. You'll have the details that you need in order to replace them. You'll also be able to have a general understanding of what a project looks like from a cost standpoint. A number of plans are generated as a result of that. Obviously, you've got to understand the legacy code. You have to understand, what you don't need. There's a lot of time in the concept of deprecation and regimented deprecation on, hey, we really don't need this. We have to use it now. We're going to support it for the next X years. Then we're going to eliminate that. That's going to migrate over to something else. We're going to transfer the whole thing, bring it up live, and then kind of use a strangler approach and eventually carve out the external type of interfaces, the onboarding interfaces, the printing and reporting functionalities, and slowly replace. You'll be able to understand what that is like from a project standpoint in a wave of deliverables, a product increment type of approach. You'll have test plans, transformation plans, external replacement plans, and hosting plans.